Come test drive the 2024 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, chrome mirror caps, four-wheel disc brakes, skid plates, speed control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.